For the repair of the Korval E&P -01, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For the testing of the first controller, we add a 160 volt AC power supply, a multimeter and a potentiometer. By manipulating the potentiometer, the process variable is far lower than the set variable and a buzzer can be heard from the multimeter. For the second controller, we add a millivolt generator, and while we manipulate the input signal of the millivolts, we can see the process variable is far lower than the set variable and a buzzer can also be heard from the multimeter. And as we near the set variable, the buzzer stops. It is now clear that both controllers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.